Hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So today I am here with another topic which is three most important habit which everyone should follow. I got this three most important habit from a prominent and famous people. So I think I have to share with you all because my mission and my goal is to learn anything and share to the people. So I learned there are three most important habits which everyone should follow to become more productive, energetic, and become more successful. So what are these three most important habits? So you know that habit describe our future. Habit means action, repeatedly work. How many things we are doing repeatedly in our life every day? It's becoming every day on automatically basis. So we can also develop new habit and remove bad habit. I have also make some videos about habit. So today I'm going to talk about top three most important habit which we should follow and we should know. So first habit is affirmation. I think you had it a lot of time that affirmation. If you are following some any motivational speaker, they also share the knowledge about affirmation. So what I think you know what is the mean of affirmation. Affirmation is mean that we are saying positive words, positive sentences to ourselves, to our mind, that yes, I am happy, that yes, I am grateful, that yes, I am doing great things in my life. I am doing job, I am a student, I am doing my best in my profession, and I am utilizing my time. I am not going to waste my time. I am not wasting my time. I am utilizing my time. So this is also you can say self positive talk, affirmation, which you say to your mind that yes, I am good, because whatever the things we say in our mind, we become. You heard it lots of time. What you think, you become. This is also self talk, affirmation, because if you are repeating in your mind that I am not good, I am not doing anything, I am ugly, I am not looking good, I am not doing anything good in my life. So we don't have to say this. We have to talk to ourselves in a positive manner, in a good manner. So we have to take it as an affirmation. We have to talk to ourselves about positive way. Yes, I am good, I am doing good. So this is the first thing which you have to follow, affirmation. And the second thing is to-do list. To-do list means if today you woke up in the morning and you don't know what actions I have to do to take for today, what actions I have to take for today, what things I have to do, what you are going to do. You are going to waste your times. So most of the people what they do, they just write down the important things in the night before sleeping for tomorrow. Like today, if I am going to go in my bed for sleeping, so I will write down the things, whatever the important task I have to complete today, I have to write today, and then tomorrow I will complete. So you have to make your to-do list, on the daily basis. It's going to save your time and more precisely you can do your work. And third, which is very important, is gratitude. We have to be grateful for every time, because this is a very important thing which uplift us in our life. Grateful, be grateful. It means if you are sitting and I am sitting here and I am able to speak and express myself in front of you all, that I have to be grateful. That I have the power to speak in front of you. I have the power to talk with you, because in the world there are lots of people, they are not able to speak and listen and see. They are blind. They don't have tongue. So why we have to be grateful? We have to be grateful that yes, thank you, Alhamdulillah, I have this thing. If I have two hands and two foot, I have to be grateful that yes, I have all these things. Thank you, Alhamdulillah. So gratitude is a very important thing. I have to be grateful in every moment, in every situation. So follow all these three habits to become more energetic, more successful, and get lots of things in your life. So let's summarize. First is affirmation. We have to talk to ourselves in a positive way. Self affirmation. Second, to-do list. And third, which is gratitude. I have to be grateful for myself in every situation, in every moment. I have to be grateful. So all these three habits, which is very powerful and important, I have to follow on the daily basis. So this was the important thing which I shared with you all, and I think you got some valuable information from this video. So thank you for today. Keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video. Thanks for today.